Hello everyone! Welcome back to Story Time with Hajira. Today we are reading Valentine's Day Treats. So, let's get started. Stencils, stamps for designs. Let's create Valentines. Paper, crayons, glitter, glue, markers, paints, stickers too. Trace and paint, sparkly heart, cut and glue, works of art. Add some words, symbols too. You are kind, me and you. Cards will dry while we bake. Let's create special cake. Sugar, flour, oil in cup, milk and eggs, mix them up. Baking pans, unmatched pair. One is round, one is square. Fill the pans, scrape and pour, open up the oven door. In they go, batter bakes. They are done! Perfect cakes! When they are cool, flip from pans, turn the square with your hands. Circles next. Cut apart, slide to halves, make a heart. Scoop and spread, frosting fun. Now 3 parts look like one. Sprinkles on, decorate. Can't eat yet, have to wait. To our friends down the street. Heart-shaped feast, time to eat. Lunch with friends, find a chair. For dessert, cake to share. Hand out cards one by one. Look at yours when you're done. Different shapes, different styles. Children laugh, happy smiles. Each a gift, fun designs, made with love, VaLeNTine'S. The end. Bye.